Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and today I'll be sharing with you my favorite lip combinations. And I'm so excited about this video because it's just so important to have a lip combo that you trust that can go with just about anything and you can just throw on and go about your day. So if you don't have one, then today is your lucky day because you will find it in this video. So if you are interested, then keep watching. So this first lip combo is seriously my go-to. I wear this every time I do my makeup unless I just feel like switching it up. I like to overline my lips quite a bit because my lips are fairly small, so don't judge me guys. If you had small lips, and if you have small lips, you understand, like, it's hard out here. Guys, really quickly, I just want to add that this is the exact lip combo from my Soft Glam makeup tutorial. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely check it out. I wasn't able to find the brand to this brown lip liner in that video, but I was able to find it for you guys for this one. And then what I like to do is kind of bring the brown in just a tiny bit because we're gonna add another color in here. I feel like lining your top lip is the hardest, mainly because I'm talking, but really because you want to make sure your top lip is even, because if it's not, your lip is gonna look all lopsided. Next, I'm gonna take my Mercier in hazelnut tea, and I just sort of put it in the middle where I didn't put the brown liner. I just love this. You can tell that you have a lip on, but at the same time it's not major, it's just simple. And it's like the perfect mixture of pink and brown. Like, I just like how it comes together. And sometimes I'll put a gloss over it and sometimes I'll leave it matte. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day. Let me just show you guys what this looks like with a gloss on top of it. I feel like you guys deserve to know how this lip can transition. It's so versatile. And I'm using the NK lip gloss. It's in the shade Raspberry, but all of their lip glosses, at least the pure lip oil ones, are clear to me. Maybe because I put them over lipsticks, I can never tell, but I'm pretty sure they're all clear. Make sure you bring that lip gloss all the way up to the tip top. You know, you don't want to rub it in up there, you want to actually put it up there because that's how you add that extra plump to your lip. I don't know, for me it makes a difference. You guys see that? I love it. I love everything about this. I love overlined, glossy, and plump lips. Okay, so this next one is another one of my favorites. It's a tiny pop of color, so you know, we're not all the way boring, but we're still our boring selves. So guys, I haven't sharpened my lip liner pencils in forever. I've just been using them in their dull form. Thank you guys for making me sharpen my lip pencils because I am tripping. Anyways, this is the shade Coffee Bean by Rimmel London. So after that, I take my Cream Lip Shine by Sephora and I just put a little bit because this color is so vibrant. It smells so good though, guys. I love this scent. It's like a, I don't know, it just smells like marshmallows or something. And sometimes what I'll do with Coffee Bean is I'll just put the lip liner on and add a lip gloss over it, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks with more color. And look how pretty it is. It's like a nice pinkish color, but it's not too much. So for this next combination, I'm going to be using NYX lip liner. It is in the shade Urban Cafe. Then I just kind of take a brush and bring the product down a little bit more. And the last thing I'm going to do is add this Mentha Lip Shine. It's by Bath & Body Works. And I love this because it has peppermint oil in it, so it gives your lips the nice tingle. And this is perfect for winter time. So this is a super cute go-to. And my lips feel so nice and tingly right now. This is so refreshing. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Love you guys. Bye.